Hello everybody, it's Danny here with Danny Reviews, and this here is a multi-purpose fabric cutter. This thing is wireless, it's portable, and this is going to be able to cut your fabric, leather, cardboard. It's like a motorized scissor. It's going to come with this nice case. It's like a hard shell, which is really nice. And then they're going to also give you USB-C cable because you're going to be able to charge it with USB-C. And then you're going to get some extra blades, 2 extra blades in there. And this thing also has an LED light. So if I pull this trigger right here, you see the LED light come on. That's a nice feature to have that light. And again, there's a safety here. So we actually, to get the unit to work, we have to put our thumb on this button and then pull the trigger. And then you can see it goes. And you can see the arrow, which way the blade flows. Now back here, you do have your battery indicator, but then you also have your speeds. This is going to be 5 speeds. So if I go up to 5, put my thumb on the button and hit it, you hear that? It's a lot quicker of a spin. I found that just one that does a good job. Just to show you, give you an example, I was testing it on this box. And if I put my thumb, it just cuts perfectly through. I mean, this is effortlessly. So what I use this for, because I get so many cardboard boxes, is just to trim down the boxes so I can go ahead and recycle them. So overall, this is an awesome multi-purpose cutter, whether it be for fabric, leather, or boxes, or any other application that you would see fit for this. Being portable, having the light, makes it a must-have. A huge shout out to the company for gifting me this. I could do this review.